In today's video, we will see a two-bedroom, one-den condo in downtown Mississauga. And now, this would typically cost you about $2,900 per month. As I'm making this video, it varies based on how the market is. Now, a big difference between a condo and an apartment is that the condo has an in-house washer and dryer. Apartment is in the common area. Not many people like that. And remember, this is downtown Mississauga, so you have all amenities around, and that makes it a little more expensive. So let's go and look at the condo unit. Condo. So this is a two-bedroom and a den. Once you are here, you can see this is the washroom, and it's quite spacious. This is how most of the washrooms are, and most of the washroom have this bathtub. You will find this way, and a shower with mixer, hot and cold mixer. Then you can see here, this is the kitchen space, and everything what you see here comes as part of the kitchen, and you don't have to bring anything from outside. Those kettle, of course, you will have to buy, but the big ticket ones like the refrigerator, the oven, and there is a dishwasher here. So all of this comes as part of the unit. Then you have this closet where you can keep your clothes. Then there is a small den, see here, and it can only fit a sofa. Then this is the place where you have, this is your dryer. This one is an old dryer, and then you have, let me close this. Okay, a lot of clothes inside. This is the washer. So most of the condos, right? The condo units have the washer and dryers inside the house. And the common difference between a condo and an apartment is that in apartment, you have these washer dryer in a common space where you go and pay per use. Most of the apartments have this way. So the condo units have washer and dryer inside, and most of the places have garbage chute where you can go and throw the garbage, and you don't have to go down. In apartment, in some cases, you have to go down to throw the garbage. Then this is the dining, and you see it's a beautiful view outside. Then you have this living space, quite spacious. And the newer house, they have less of square footage, but most of the houses nowadays you will see quite crammed up, and even this space will not be available. The newer ones has this challenge. So this has a balcony, and you can see all the amenities you will find all around this downtown Mississauga, the high rises all around. So this is a good community and living place. You see that? That's Lake Ontario. There's a beautiful morning view. Then this is the master bedroom. Okay. So this is the master bedroom. And again, this has a washroom and the walk-in closet separate. Typically, this is how a condo unit is.